Mr. Massimo, is or simply, 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 Devi. Yes, or simply, Devi. Yes, Devi, notte. And Lynch. It's Jan 13th, 2024, it's Tuesday. In Naples, totally clear. Yes, it seems totally clear, it's kind of atmosphere in general, and it also seems that now it's late morning, practically going to noon, on 11:40, precisely 78 net Fahrenheit, 26 Celsius, and this means this is really soft, like this period, and it's a slight summer atmosphere, practically. We are really close of course to summer, very few days to it, and as for the winter, which usually is adjective cold down, second adjective, since the rest of the reports first go, as up summer, no, I think the body which my is. I suppose in that I'm not sure, but whether I see these things for the same, also in this case for the spring and the autumn, it's a step the reports first go, but in this case matter the most 3 years, no? I use always an adjective, in fact, soft, also a classic adjective, and so, as regards the English, it rests for me, always nothing new, significant weather, absolutely a compliment, understanding, as in the spring period, at 20 degrees and temperature are the normality, instead of what today I think I can see, yes, the same thing as just before in the exhibit, it's really beautiful, at least it seems, in fact, I'm beautifully, the summer feelings on this. This afternoon, practically in 15 minutes, I think that the rapper will be not different from this maximum to cool down to 3 degrees more. I repeat, 2 degrees more, repeat at the moment. 78 and 8 Fahrenheit, 26 Celsius. But the really important thing is atmosphere, attention. Just before today, we are beautiful. Lo sky was shining, so yeah, my head when if not completely visible this from this other window. Yes, however, wait until now and considering the period and considering that we're going to the noon for now for other 8 hours and a half, somewhere in comparison, the ball American Flight is a completely different schedule. Well, so Senenis Southern mythical window in Southern new curtain since few months, however, but with the new real element of better the color, new color of the element of the flowers, because previous flowers were pink while these are golden or yellow. But however, as always choosing the other room from mythical window in the new curtains since around 2 practically 20 months, more than 7 months, and also there's a beautiful painter but in this summer period alternated with the nearly sure, so today it wasn't visible, but however in general, in the fact that the other room in general visible and shut. As regarding the shooter, today visible, so it was near behind me, but however in general always visible better, I think in that shot. At this point those shots were legendary, became legendary, the shots of the better shot and the best shots of the window, the curtain, the keyboard, and also of the breakfast, I suppose. Oh yeah, yes. And finally, from a medieval keyboard, my GX 640 APG 625. man, getting all the people from the Chinese person, excellent getting it well. So my brother and my sister was a musket. And finally, I hope you all have a great breakfast. Today it's early, absolutely. And for me, for my time. But l'important poi è dovessi fare qui fanno record reaction. Ma se sembra tanto se tritto starudi mi fa che di breakfast e fiantane se fiam believe it. Restart to it. Te fiantane so di credo. Ma so di fare we repeat just only noon. It's just only we're going to noon this morning. But the really important thing to should always remember that in some way also today 40 minutes so I'm really hungry. And as we always say. Breakfast is one of the most beautiful things left in the world. Absolutely. As tomorrow.